Alright, what is going on, guys? It is Isaac here. So today we're going to be doing a room tour video. Now, I didn't expect to be making this video, but I just did a couple revisions to my room, so we're going to take a look and see what we got going on in here, and we're going to take a look at how I've set everything up and sort of just show you around. So let's go ahead and just show you what's up.
Everything changes.
Alright, so I've got a few sections here in the room, so we're gonna go like section by section and just show you what's up in about each section. So let's start with the door. Alright, so here we have the door, so it's not much going on here. Definitely not much compared to before we revamped the room. But we got the we got a Let's Go Pens flag, and we got a terrible towel from 2009. Go Pens, go Steelers, and also go Bucks, but I don't have a Jolly Rancher. So, and then in here, I just got a little basket full of miscellaneous stuff. Got the camera charger, got my dartboard, which I really don't use. Got a old Olympus camera. Got some mail and some papers. See, I got a really old Olympus camera. I don't know if it works anymore, but lens cap's upside down. Okay. But that's really that. Now, this is my bed. Obviously, you know, not really much going on here. I just got my phone. Oh boy, camera's dying. Dang it. Okay, I might have to record the rest of this video later. But yeah, we got the got my phone, Galaxy S9. Great phone. And yes, I don't have an iPhone. And I got my iPad Air 2, still running strong after like almost 5 years, so, you know, that's cool. And I got this little cart that I used for my whole phone setup, but I don't really use it anymore. I'm probably gonna get it out of here, so that's really sitting over there for nothing. I got a bunch of crap under the bed. I'm just not really gonna show you guys, 'cause it's just a mess under there. Got the old basket of coffee things. I don't know why we have that, but okay. Got the Philips Hue Go. This is a dope light, so it reflects pretty well. I'll actually turn the lights off and show you guys. Well, of course, the Hue Bridge decided to just shut down on me and just fuck my whole demo up, so thanks for that, Philips. Well, fuck. And another clip here, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And I also have the Hue Disco app, so it will respond to like my voice, so like what's singing, like if I have my speakers up, I can just play stuff from there, and the microphones it'll just base off whatever it's hearing from the microphones on my iPad, so that's pretty cool. So yeah. But let's charge up the camera battery, and then we'll take a look at the rest of it. Alright, so we're skipping past about 2.5 hours. I just charged up the camera battery. It is now good to go. It is now 7:45 p.m. I think when I recorded the first couple clips, it was like 5:20. What was that noise? Okay. But before we actually move on with the room tour, I wanted to do this new thing called birthday shoutouts. So what I'm gonna do with birthday shoutouts is I'm gonna just like pick one video per month to do like birthday shoutouts to some of you guys. So we got birthday shoutouts for the month of August. So we got a birthday shoutout for August 15th going to Tyler Jacks 15. You guys can follow him on Snapchat and Instagram. Alright, so I slightly changed up things a little bit before when I last showed you this, but Well, actually, not really. But right here, we have one of the things I picked up for Prime. Well, pretty much the only thing I picked up for Prime Day this year. This is a massive battery pack. This came clutch at Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix when I was walking around all day. This is a 26,800 milliamp hour battery. So this is a huge battery. And it comes in clutch. What I really like about it is that it has 2 USB ports, so I can charge my phones. But with my Galaxy S9, since it has USB-C, I can charge it via USB-C, which is nice. And I can also charge the battery pack up with either micro USB, which I don't prefer to do. But what's also nice is that I can charge it up right now, like I am now, with USB-C. So that's super sweet. So this is called the Miyadi. I don't know exactly what the model is, but it's something. AS471TC. Nice model name. But yeah. So I guess we'll move over here next. Alright, so right here we got my dresser, and like my whole like setup going here. So I got my iFixit toolkit. I love like taking apart my phones, doing this. This is really, taking apart your phones with this is so fun. Like, I'm serious. Got some microfiber cloths over there for cleaning the phones. And then I have my case collection right here. So it's just like phone cases. So I don't know what this is for. Just a rubber case that I found. Got an iPhone 4 case, kind of cool. Got an iPhone 6 case that is personalized for me. Got an iPhone 5S SE 5 case. It's an Apple leather case, pretty nice. Got an iPhone 10R case for the 3 months I actually use an iPhone 10R as my daily driver. But I had to give it back. And sadly now I'm on Galaxy. Well, actually not sadly, I love my Galaxy. And I've got a couple iPhone 6S Plus cases and 6 Plus cases, so you guys can, this is This is the Qmatics. Oh, and this one is the Unicorn Beetle sub case, which is a super sick case. I love this case. I used it on both my iPhone 10R for 3 months, and then the year I have my iPhone 8 Plus. And also have the iPhone 8 Plus case over here. It's the black one, pretty sweet. And then I also have the Apple leather case for my 6S Plus, and a Spigen, what do you call this? Slim Armor, I think, or Spigen like Neo Crystal Hybrid or something. I don't know what it's called, but and then over here I've got some dummy phones and also one sadly broken phone, which is the LG VX6100. You guys remember this in most of the collection updates. Actually, this just happened like a couple hours ago where I was when I was off camera. The thing just freaking snapped in half. I mean, the display was already loose from the housing. It stopped working like 2 months ago. Like the screen just died on me. But today it just snapped in half. So sad to say, but the LG VX6100 is now out of commission. We got an old Palm Pilot. This one, it won't charge. I don't know what's going on with this, but it uses mini USB. Got an old iPod Classic. I think it's a 3rd gen. It I guess technically works, but it's like not really in commission because it just won't turn on. I think it just got stuck hard drive crashed. So, but there might be a fix for that. Got this old Samsung MP3 player. I showed this in like my original collection update, and it doesn't really work. Yeah, it doesn't work. I can't really find the charger for it. I just have a dummy old like Samsung phone. I don't even remember what the model name is. Got like a old magazine basket over here. Got my bookcase. Essential oils. This is so nice. The essential oils diffuser. I'll show you that in a minute. It's super cool. Up here I got my camera collection. So I got my old Canon SD1100IS. Got my Olympus FE5020. My DSCWX220. My Sony. This old Polaroid 300. Actually, not that old. It's like a couple of years old. And then down here I've got a little bin. I hold all my SIM cards and my SIM card tools in here. Got my Samsung USB-C to OTG adapter. Got my gimbal that likes to just lose it. I don't know why. Got my Sonos One. This is a sick speaker. Even though Wi-Fi speakers are inferior to Bluetooth speakers because they're just a pain in the ass to set up, but you know, this thing is so sick. It's got Bluetooth built in. It's super awesome. I love this speaker, even though I don't use it very often, which I should. And then up here, I've got my whole box collection. So on the left, I got my Beats Solo 3s, my PlayStation Classic, which I'll show you guys in a minute. I've got my iPhone SE. I got an iPhone SE box, the LG Octane, my iPhone 8 Plus box, the camera that I'm recording on, the box right there. Got my iPhone 6 box, my MagSafe 2 power adapter box, another iPhone SE, my Galaxy S9 box, my iPad Air 2 box, iPhone 5C box, and the LG Phoenix 3 box. And then over here, this is my desk. Well, my one desk. This is sort of like my working desk. We've got a bunch of screws because we were putting another little structure together that I'll show you guys in a minute. We actually just finished it like 3 days ago, I believe. I got my wallet, and I actually just passed my driver's permit test today, which is super sick, so I can drive with, you know, an adult now. Got my AirPods. These sound like shit, but they still work perfectly fine. I got soundbuds Surge. These are pretty cheap headphones, but they actually sound pretty good, although the battery life sucks. Got some cables. Got a lightning to SD card adapter. Got a nice Seagate 2TB hard drive. These Seagate hard drives are so clutch. Got my microphones. These are actually fairly cheap microphones. They were like 30 bucks. Got a personalized stamp. And then this is the oil diffuser I was talking about. So this is like this is the essential oils thing. It's pretty cool. So yeah, but let's actually show you guys this new structure that we built. And we had it up in my top floor for a while, so you guys might recognize it from a few videos, but let's take a look. Alright, so I'm completely hopping on here. I missed one more birthday shout out. We got a shout out for August 25th going out to, what's the username? It is Mason J Brooks _25. So yeah, and that, like I said, that is for August 25th. So, and this is the structure I was talking about. So we've had this up in my top floor for a little while, but we just brought it down here mainly for school, but also for other things. So, over here we got like a little shelf. So I got like little shelf units right here. I got my drawers down there. Haven't really put anything in them, so I wouldn't really show you guys if I put anything on. Got all the phone set up right here. So I got the Octane, the Blackjack, CE, the Trophy, one of the VX 3500s, the newest edition, the Intensity, the Moment, 3G, the other VX, the Phoenix, one of the SCPs, the Cosmos 2, the Rumor, the other SCP, Cosmos 3, the Maven, and the PM. I also have the Anchor Soundbuds Curve. These are actually pretty decent sounding headphones. They're pretty good for sport. They're pretty good as sport headphones. They're fairly on the cheap side. Battery life is actually pretty decent. Much better than the Soundbuds Surge. But yeah, and that's a little clock radio here. I don't have this plugged in, so I was like, I don't know, a little planner up there. And this is my main sort of attraction. So I got my desk right here. So I got my basically like my powerhouse. This is my 2014 15-inch Retina MacBook Pro. You guys know I've used this for about a little over 2 years now as my editing machine, so it's working pretty good. Got a little Toshiba. It's technically a TV, but I used to use it as a monitor. Well, I also use it as a TV sometimes down here, but not really very often. It's got a DVD player built in, which actually does come in clutch sometimes, even though I don't use DVDs a lot. Got an Apple sticker down there because I feel like it. Got the Wii sensor bar. Got my iPad Air 2 just chilling right here. It's charging. And I also have a wireless charger on my Galaxy S9 chilling right there. Got the remote for the Toshiba TV. And then up here I have my tablet collection. So I have a original Nook Color. I got the Fire HD7 or maybe HD8. It's a 2018 model, so I don't know. Got 2 old Kindle Fire HDs. This one's having a lot of battery issues. It's had it pretty much since I got it back in 2012. So, but yeah, this thing's messed up. This one actually works totally fine. Battery life kind of sucks on it, but it's better than this one that's having all these battery issues. Got an old Toshiba hard drive. Some Canon calculator. And then down here, I've got my Wii U gamepad, my Wii U, the Wii U. Got the PlayStation Classic, which is super awesome. I love this thing. It's so cool. I mean, the games, they're alright. 20 games, it's pretty cool. Got my Odom charging base. I've had this for over 2 years now. It's pretty clutch. You know, it's got 3 USB ports. I had my Apple Watch up there when I had my Apple Watch. I sold my Apple Watch a couple months ago, but I'm trying to get the Samsung Galaxy Watch active, so maybe I can place that up there. And then down here I've got one of the outlets. The cord situation is a straight mess, but I got my camera charger right here, which I don't really keep there. Got the base station, got a micro USB cable, which actually just feeds the wireless charger. Got this blackjack charger, the other LG micro USB cable that's specific to some of those LG phones. Got the CE charger and the Sanyo charger. Got the big ass brick for the Wii U. Got the charger for my laptop. And then we have the other power cord over there that feeds like the monitor and the game consoles and my laptop and all that. And the air conditioner. It's hot as hell in Pittsburgh in August, so. But yeah. And then over here I've got my keyboard and mouse. So this mouse right here, this is the Logitech M185. It's a pretty cheap mouse. It was like, oh god, how much was it when I got it? Like, I got it like a year and a half ago. It was like $9 or $10, I think. And I also have my keyboard. This is the Logitech K380. It's a pretty decently priced keyboard. I got it for like, what, like $27. So yeah, it was pretty cheap. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice little Bluetooth keyboard. It's mainly, I think, meant for like tablets and stuff, but it works fine for my laptop. Because I don't really need like a high-end expensive like gaming keyboard. I just like simple keyboards, so that's just, you know, what I choose to do. And also the case that I have on my iPad Air 2 is the Zag, what's it called? The Zag Folio keyboard case or something. I don't know what it is. And then on my phone, my Galaxy S9, I have the OtterBox Symmetry. And I also have a night case for my laptop that usually sits there. But I also have the tripod just sitting right there. I have a little light up there. And I think that's pretty much it. I don't think I really missed anything, so, but yeah. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. And if you guys want me to do like a room tour like every like year or something, or every like couple months, leave a comment down below. And also you can vote up here, or up here, whichever is the right corner, I don't care. But yeah, and but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.